Hi everyone, so finally I was able to make my own lash menu. This is a great idea to show your client, especially first-time client, what are the differences between any sets. It is a perfect idea to show them the different curls, diameter and length, so you're able to meet their expectation. In a client standpoint, I am a type of client who likes to visualize everything. This is the perfect way to see what I'm really getting myself into. So yes, you guys, here is the final product. I'm so proud of myself. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Now I finally did it. And yes, if you're decorating your lash room, this is definitely a must-have. This is very easy to do and customizable. So make yours now and tag me.